Right now, I came from Mathura and Brindavan, and now I am on Rithala, moving toward Rithala, so that I can reach Kashmiri Gate to catch my train for Haridwar and Haridwar. So this is Saeed Nagar bus railway station, metro station. Sorry. Now I sit down on Rishikesh bus and I will move down. It would take 5 hours from Delhi Kashmiri Gate to reach Rishikesh. So let's see. अभी तो मेरा दिमाग भी नहीं चल रहा है कि मतलब क्योंकि पिछले रात से मैं सोया नहीं था और अभी अभी जाके मैं सोऊंगा, बस में ही सो जाऊंगा यार मैं। उसके बाद डायरेक्टली जो है क्या नाम है ऋषिकेश में चलूँगा। सो मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ अभी। गुड बाय। Now the bus stop at Muzaffarnagar district in Uttarakhand, and I am currently eating bhel puri. This one, and there are a lot of soap at this place like this. So the bus stay for 20 minutes, and after that it will go to next destination. Finally, I reached Rishikesh, and the it is 12:30 a.m. and the market is still open, uh, and shop are selling Maggies. So I'm deciding to eat some Maggie and took some refreshment, and after that let's see where I have to stay at night, or might be I will explore both cities during the night time and morning time. So because I have less time, I have to leave at 1 at least 1 p.m. tomorrow. So let's see what to do next. I am still trying to figure out what to do next. So I'm looking into market areas. Yeah, I have cut down my hair. You can see that my new hair style is quite shortened from previous. Actually, my mom forced me to do so because I was living after semester exam to home. So that's why I have to shorten it out. Comment it down. Which hairstyle is better, this one or the previous one? जिसके जिसका पक्ष लेके there are some lodge out there. So actually I get to know that this bus stand area is only opened during the night time, and most of the marketplaces get closed. So I was quite wrong thinking that the bull market place is open during 12:30 a.m. So do consider it out. um, I think it is not a good idea to explore in night, but I will try. There are some hotels out there, living areas, and I'm returning because there were no light. This light. So I am closing the video right now and trying to find a PG for stay. So let's see. I will update you later. So after roaming to different places, uh, it's 4:30 a.m. in the morning, and I finally decided to move to Triveni Ghat by foot. It is just a 1 kilometer journey, so I decided why to go to foot to enjoy the morning views. So let's see what happened. The road, there is good lightning in the city, so it is not like Mathura and Vrindavan. The city is quite good in comparison to Mathura and Vrindavan. So for Triveni Ghat, I am tracking this silent route. There are no person behind me. I hope it is 400 meters left, and after that we will finally, let me see the map, man. I come through so much silence, so I feared on shorter and narrower journey of coming to Triveni Ghat, but I know people, I can start seeing people around me, so it feel good. This is, I think I was about to reach Triveni Ghat. Sorry. Yeah, this. Yeah, finally I think I reached. This is first view of Triveni Ghat. Silence and people are sleeping. It's, it's around 4:45 a.m. in the morning. Finally, all through narrower and fearsome journey, I reached to see this Triveni Ghat, and I think it is river Ganga. See the beautiful let me cut my maps, and the beauty will stun you. I am going to take a holy oath inside the river, and after that I will sat for half an hour for in silence. So I am going to just I am going to just close my camera down to feel silence and and the real thing I want to enjoy out there. No, I have changed my clothes and devo take a walk inside the water, and this is the morning views of Triveni Ghat, like this. So no, no, I am moving toward to see Ram Jhula and Lakshman Jhula. So let's move together. देख रहे हो ये तपोवन है और ये मार्केट है उसका. So now I am going for Lakshman Jhula, and the auto driver said that the Lakshman Jhula has been broken, but I am just visiting to see it. Let me convey you one thing. If you are coming to Rishikesh, you can extend your trip to four dham, that is Kedarnath Dham and Badrinath and Gangotri and Yamunotri. These are like 6 to 7 hours away from this place. So I am heading toward Lakshman Jhula. It is going to be an adventure, but Lakshman Jhula has been broken, as the driver said. So let's see. I think that one is Lakshman Jhula. That seemed to be broken. Let me see. Yeah, that one. You can see. Let me zoom through it. It is not zooming out. But you see this, the last one. This is a Lakshman Jhula that seemed to be broken. So I am moving to Ram Jhula because it is in full working condition right now. Let me give you an amazing thing. The place is famous for yoga and meditation also. So everywhere it has a posters of yoga and meditation practices. And also the place is famous for adventurous activity, like here you can see the mandala traditional painting arts which are used in meditation, and here it is sound healing. Here treatment like Swami Anand Bodhi yoga essence practices and yoga practices. It was famous after a band come to this place, and they have written a good album after coming to this place. The album is White Album, and it got quite famous. And afterward there are some horses out there who are walking along the trails. You can see the amazing thing out there. So from that time people start exploring this place as a place of yoga, meditations and therapeutic treatments. So here it also advertise about like adventurous activity. Like here you can see, yeah, this. There are a lot of advertisement about two things. Like first one is yoga and meditation practices, and the second thing is about adventure, like bungee jumping, rafting, and camping, trekking, and other things. So that's all. Let me. I have to catch a taxi to reach Ram Jhula at least, because I think I can't give so much time, because I have to leave to Chandigarh to catch my train for home. So this is the path for Lakshman Jhula. I can guarantee, sorry, Ram Jhula. I can guarantee you I will surely reach to Ram Jhula at this time. Yeah, this is the ladders of ladder to reach Ram Jhula. I am taking my step faster. So finally this is, you can see, so that everywhere places is filled with bhajans and kirtan. So this is Ram Jhula. Yeah. You can, yeah. It is welcoming you for Ram Jhula. It has written Uttarakhand. There are a lot of trails. This is Ram Jhula, and let me give you a glimpse through my front camera. Insanely beautiful. It's, insanely beautiful. I can feel the vibration of the breeze right now. This is Bol Bridge. It is constructed over the river. I think in 1987 it is written on Google, so it is constructed in 19, so connect two pathways, right? I'm trying to cross it. It is long, so I am cutting videos. I was traveling since last 2 days and I hasn't slept, and like previous night I hasn't slept, and of course taken 1 hour nap. That's it all for. So from last 2 days I hasn't slept, so I decided that I will take my bus right now. Previously I decided that I will take bus at 2 p.m. but I am taking bus right now, so that because I feel so tired, my body is literally paining, and I is like pain in both eye. So finally reached to the college hostels, and from there I will backpack, and then I will leave to my home. So at night time I have a train, so I will leave. Till then, tata bye.
and goodbye, brother.